Hi, it's Shelly and welcome to my channel. What are we doing today? In today's video, we are eating in Puerto Morelos, Mexico. We are visiting at least 10 different eateries from local fare to portside. There are so many wonderful places to grab a bite to eat or grab a drink here in Puerto, and honestly, we are just scratching the surface in this video. Sampling some of my favorite places in Puerto Morelos, as well as checking out some new ones. It's what we're doing today. So if you want to try some delicious birria, the Sunday Tianguis up in La Colonia is a great place to start. They have various packages available and it's really good. We went for the tacos and consomme. So good. Great place to sample some local cuisine at great prices. Today we decided to check out the port side for 2-for-1 margaritas. Blue had a great drink special and my son and I enjoyed a couple in their lovely outdoor area. Despite the rainy day, we continued our margarita quest at La Serena. It rained hard. I put up the umbrella and we persevered. Did I mention it rained? Windy too. It was still a lot of fun and we had a great time. Next we are off to Peninsula Rooftop for dinner. Great brews, beautiful atmosphere despite the rain, and the views from the up top are lovely.
Por eso me fui pa'l norte, por quererle avanzar. Le pagué a un coyote y también me fue muy mal. Hablaba con mis hermanos, pues tengo que aguantar. En la maquila 2 años, ya me quiero regresar. Tengo que salir de aquí.
Started with some great seafood broth and salsa and chips. My son had the cochinita pibil, and I had the fish tacos. I ended up bringing 2 of them home for another day. Beach day today. Well, we headed to the beach, and it ended up being another super rainy day. So we ended up taking refuge at Don Ernesto's. We ordered nachos and wings and hunkered down for a great bar day. Next, we're off to Mariscos Willy. This is a new restaurant on Timon up in La Colonia. Lots of choices on the menu. Started with some salsa and chips. Great vibe here, very casual and chill. This is the shrimp tamarind. And this is the stuffed fish. Filled with just deliciousness. It was a great meal. Very cute nautical theme, full bar. Nice vibe. Next, we are off on Betsy Walker's Puerto Morelos morning walking tour. I'll put the contact info in the description below. Started off with a lovely Jamaica juice to keep us hydrated during our walk. Next stop was for cochinita tacos, and they did not disappoint. Next, it's carnita tacos. Again, absolutely delicious. Betsy's tour takes you deep into La Colonia and explains a lot about daily life here. Her assistant Leo is a great guy who gives you the local perspective on life and food. We had a great group for the tour, lots of fun. We sampled some El Pastor tacos, but we ate them too fast and forgot to take a picture. But we were also treated to some chilaquiles, which were amazing. Great tour. Next, it's off to Pacao. Great Colonia side restaurant for the best fish and chips. Jeremy's trying some hot sauce.
It takes a minute.
It does. It does.
Okay,
Maiz. What can I say? It's one of my favorites. Live sax music, great margaritas, and mojitos, 2 for 1. Amazing chips and salsas. So much fun. Patty and I shared a raracha, plenty for 2 people. My son had the pesto pasta with chicken. Margarita number 2. Patty's birthday celebration. Chef Tony delivered a great birthday cake and some free tequila shots. And Jeremy doing the classic tequila shot. This was such a fun night. We are back to the beach. Not raining today, but it is super windy. And now we were off for pizza slices at Mamma Mia's Portside. Great pizza. Crust is amazing at great prices. Great afternoon snack on Portside. We're staying in tonight and we're ordering delivery from Papa Boss. Oh my God, these stuffed potatoes are amazing. Totally enough for 2 meals. One of my favorite places for a burger is Burger Underground, so we had to stop in for our Big E Junior and it was delicious. Now we're off for breakfast at Casamono at the corner of Tortuga and Zatinagasca. Mocha coffee was delicious and Jeremy had to try the chilaquiles. Wow. Good times with my son checking out all the food places in Puerto Morelos. So I hope that has given you a little taste of what's available in Puerto Morelos, Mexico. Hopefully you can come down here and try some of these places and some of your own on your own. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.